Hello students, today I am going to teach you the chapter called The Many and the None. It is good to have a variety of spices because people often say that variety is the spice of life. We cannot eat the same dish every day. It would be boring if each day were like the other. If each day were like the other, everything seems to be very usual and boring. Biological diversity is the diversity and variability of life on earth. There are a variety of fruits, animals, vegetation, wood, and even there are a variety of colors. There are various spices or species of colors and plants and animals or any other life. For the survival of life on earth, the existence of a variety of species is important. Biodiversity loss is disastrous. Biological diversity is related to our lives and identities. For our survival, there should be every kind of tree in the forests. We need fodder, fuel wood, moisture for the soil. We also need fruit trees and wood supplying trees for buildings and so on. The author says that there are different species of animals, and some animals in our forest having the capacity to attract and inspire enthusiasm to the human mind. They are frightful and arouse excitement in man's mind. At the same time, they are endowed with graceful beauty and grandeur. These animals, one used as flagship species for conservation and programs like that. Though it concerns all of us, biodiversity is most directly related to the everyday lives of India's ecosystem. People, it is important to note here that the presence of just any species functioning as a resource is not adequate. It is the diversity of species of animals and plants and even microorganisms that are valuable to rural communities. According to the author, the future of India's agriculture does not lie in high biotechnology being promoted by agricultural scientists, but it is biologically diverse farming systems that are the future of India's agriculture. No doubt the agricultural scientists and corporations are trying to make agricultural production increase and thereby have progress. A bit of progress in this sector have also peeped up, but our age-old knowledge regarding the usefulness of turmeric, neem and many other elements of biodiversity have been patented in the obvious hope of making it the exclusive domain and monopoly of corporate interest. The progress we have achieved has an adverse effect on the lives of people living in and dependent on biodiverse areas. The benefits of the country cannot be at the cost of the sustenance of the majority people of the country. We must have a balance between economic development and conservation of biodiverse life. So these many and the none teaches us what? It teaches us that variety is the spice of life and we need variety. Everywhere there should be variety because variety makes the life more beautiful and consistent. For example, rainbow has many colors. If rainbow doesn't have many colors, we would never consider rainbow as special. All right, if we wear the same color every day, will it look good? Definitely not. So that's why we change clothes every day. We wear different colors. All right, earlier there used to only be black and white TV where we see the characters only black and white, but now we see colored. Isn't it more beautiful? So variety is very important. In a forest, there are different varieties of trees, and each tree has a special purpose that meets our demand. For example, neem tea is a medicinal tea. Timber tea gives us, wood, which we use in making furniture, which helps us with the furniture. So there are also trees in the forest which cleanse the air. There are also trees in the forest which purifies the land and make the land fertile. There are also trees which takes the carbon dioxide more in amount. There are trees that brings rainfall. So trees are of different species and each species are important, and diversity means variety, difference. a lot of variety. So this variety is very important for survival. If we have variety in this earth, we can live a very happy life. For example, if your mom gives you chicken every day, you may not like it to eat, because I know people like chicken more. But if your mom gives you chicken every day, will you like it? There will be a point of time when you will not feel like eating at all. For vegetarians, if your mom gives you paneer every day, there will be a time when you will be fed up of paneer. Okay, so variety is very important, and this variety is known as biodiversity. All right, biological variety. I am a biological thing, you are a biological thing, a dog is a biological thing. So even in a dog species, there's variety of dog. Yes or no? In mangoes, there are varieties of mangoes, different species of mangoes. In the cat family, you have cat, you have leopard, you have cheetah, you have lion, you have tiger. Are these not variety? All of them have special function in this earth. So therefore, always we remember, many is very important than the none. That's why the name of the chapter is Many and the None. Many is important than having and keeping none. There are some forests where you will find only one type of tree, but that forest can fulfill only one demand of us. But there are forests where you will find variety of trees which will fulfill all our demands. So we should not cut trees, we should let the biodiversity flourish, because the more diversity we have, the more variety we have, we can have and lead a happy life. I hope you understand what is biodiversity. Biodiversity means biological variety. Okay, humans also have biological variety or biodiversity. For example, some people have Mongolian eyes, some people have different, like have little dark color complexion, some are brown, some are fair, some are blonde. Every human being also are different, so this is called diversity. Okay, biological diversity, biological variety. So we need to have many biological diversity. We need to protect it, we need to save it, because diversity makes earth life possible. I hope that you understood the chapter, and please study well for the exam. Thank you so much.